If I were given the opportunity to extend the work beyond OneLab 2, there are three areas I would choose. One is federation. There's a lot more work we need to do in the area of federation. Number two is network science, making the experiments that are run on these test beds reproducible. And number three is bringing these test beds to industry, making them more available to industry.
The big innovation on Planet Lab was that basically saying, okay, if everybody just donates a couple of nodes, then together we're creating a huge test bed.
Planet Lab always is something in between the real internet and some test bed you have in your institute or something. And we want the real thing, we want the real characteristics, so to say, but we do not yet want to have it in the wild.
There is a demand of actually trying our approaches, our new algorithms, our new systems in a real environment.
The availability of Planet Lab at the time was something that made things much easier to actually reach a mature point.
We've moved from having one single test bed, the Planet Lab Europe test bed, to now having the OneLab Experimental Facility, which consists of 4 test beds, Planet Lab Europe, the NITOS wireless test bed, the DIMES measurement test bed, and the atomic measurement test bed.
We are making our facility part of a big consortium of facilities under the same managerial framework.
It's there to be used. It's been built with the European money, so it's totally open.
It's easy to test and to prove that their new mechanisms work.
And then you can develop further on top of this. But you have the exposure to the technology, the opportunity to try. And I would certainly like to encourage researchers, practitioners, people from industry, go ahead, ask for an account. We'll be very pleased to help.
For more information, see the OneLab Experimental Facility website.